closer, young and old. I shall tell you stories and tales untold, for every night of every year, to haunt and scare and fill you with fear. But be warned and wary, for these pasts are true, that quite possibly even death may come for you.
Hi, how did you get here? I feel very bad. I want to eat. I want to sleep, but I can't. I am very scared. I'll soon lose my mind completely. It is because of the bite. Yes, that is right. It is because of him. I feel really bad. God, I have already forgotten the names of my family members. What did I do to deserve this?